Top sellers are making a lot of sales and tons in profit. Then why can't you? Because you are missing a very crucial thing, that is marketing. I bet you've uploaded hundreds of products and still you are struggling to make any sales. If yes, then this video is for you, because I have a proven plan for you to drive traffic to your shop using Pinterest. I've been using Pinterest for years, which helped me to generate a great amount of traffic to my shop and affiliates. And after watching this video, you will be able to do the same. Now without wasting any more time, let's get started. First of all, before we move forward, let's understand what is Pinterest. Pinterest is like a combination of social media and search engine for inspiration, where you can discover and save ideas for anything. It's like having a visual search engine where we can upload pictures and videos as pins and boards. We are going to use Pinterest to increase our sales by promoting our products, as it has a huge audience always looking for something they need. You can easily create a Pinterest account using your email, but make sure to create a business account so that you can see your insights and which posts or pins are working for you. And for that, after creating your Pinterest account, you just need to go to your profile, then click on Edit Profile, and then go to Account Management. Here you will see this option to convert your profile into business account. My account is already a business account, so it's showing Convert to Personal Account. You will see Convert to Business Account here. If your account is not already a business account, you can click Convert to change your account type. Now it's time to check out our strategy. For this, you need to keep two things in mind. First is that Pinterest is not a short marketing strategy. You will not see difference the very next day. It takes time for a pin to go viral. The second thing is that Pinterest is a visual platform, so you have to make good-looking pins. That's why I am also going to show how to create a great pin in this video, so watch till the end. Now let's see how to create pins that will attract customers and get clicks, ultimately increasing traffic in our shop. I'm going to show how to create pins for both digital and print-on-demand sellers. Now let's start with print-on-demand sellers. And for creating good pins, we need good mockups. And for that we are going to use mockupmark.com. Here we can create mockups for free. As you can see, they have hundreds of mockups. Now let's upload our design. And for that, I'm going to use this mockup. Click on Upload your artwork to add your design. Here I have uploaded this design. Adjust its size and position accordingly and click Submit. After uploading, you can also pick any color for your mockup, but for this design I'm going to stick to white color and then click on Download in high resolution to download it. Now let's move on to creating a pin. And for that, we are going to use Canva. First click on Create a Design and from here, select Size for Pinterest Pin. Here you can see that there are many templates for different niches. You can also use any of them if you want. But for now, let's create our own design. Let's upload our mockup first. For that, click on Upload, then drag and drop your image here. Now let me speed up the process as it will make the video very long. I'll upload a step-by-step full tutorial for creating the best pin for your design very soon. But for now, let's take a look at its key features. As you can see here, I have used colors that are complementary to our design, with elements similar to it, and bold fonts that are easy to read. Now let's create pins for digital products. These pins are similar but easier than print on demand. Let me speed up the process and give you key features for creating a good digital product post or pin. You just have to upload pictures of your product, use few elements and provide information about your product. Try to be aesthetic and maintain a theme throughout your pin. Our pins are ready to upload. However, if you are confused about how you can make different pins for all your products, or if you want to save your time while making pins, then you can check out my Pinterest Pin Template Bundle. It has 20 fully customizable Canva templates. You can use this bundle to create pins very easily, and it is especially useful for Etsy and digital product seller, so do check it out. Now getting back to our video, we have created our pins. And just like these, we need to create and upload at least 20 pins in a month if you want to get consistent impressions and traffic. We can schedule all our pins. This makes it easy to be consistent, as you can upload all your 20 pins in one day and schedule them on different dates. They will be visible when their scheduled date comes. Now it's time to upload our pins. For that, we are here. On Pinterest, click on the three lines and then click on Create Pin. It will take us to this page. Now we have to upload our picture. However, we can upload multiple pins at once, so I will upload our other pin also. I have uploaded both our pins. Now it's time for the title and description of the pin. These two things are super important as they will make sure your pin reaches the right audience and to more and more people. And for that I use ChatGPT. I asked ChatGPT to give description and tags for funny engineer t-shirt, and we are going to use them for our pins. I'm going to paste both the description and tags in the description box, as description plays a very crucial role in pins reaching their targeted audience. Add title according to your designs with keywords people will search for. Remember that Pinterest is a search engine, so SEO is very important and keywords are very important. In that case, here I have only added a few keywords in title and description. However, you should add as many keywords as you can, like you can also add birthday gift or funny gift in title. And add more keywords in description. Also, you can research for best keywords in your niche and give them to ChatGPT and ask it to give title and description using those keywords. It will make your pin more discoverable and will reach more people. Next important thing that you must add is link to your product or shop, as this is how you will bring audience from Pinterest to your shop. Now we have to select the board for the pin. A board is like a collection of pins. You can save all your similar pins in one board, so if a customer comes to your board after liking one of your pins, they can find all of your similar pins. For now I am just going to create a new board and name it t-shirt. You can also save others' pins to your board to get advantage of their audience. This way you can bring a lot of traffic to your Pinterest profile and impressions for your own pins. After that you can select up to 4 tags for your pin. They should be relevant to your product. Like here I'm adding engineering, funny, t-shirt and gift ideas for men. Now it's time to schedule our pins. And for that, first, we need to turn on this publish on a later date option. Then we can select the date and time we want our pin to be published. Just repeat the same process for every pin, and they will be published on their scheduled date. Then select the pins you want to publish and click schedule. You're done. Our pins are now scheduled. So, just remember to create good-looking pins, upload at least 20 pins consistently, and create many different pins for every product. Use relevant keywords and repeat this process every month. You will start to see results. So, that's it for this video, guys. Are you going to use Pinterest for marketing? Please let me know in the comments section. If this was helpful, please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to hit that bell icon so that you don't miss any upcoming useful videos. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay awesome and stay creative.